Scientists are getting closer to understanding why some people develop dyslexia, a brain-based condition that makes reading and writing difficult, even though intelligence remains completely normal. A new study shows that the root reason of dyslexia is not laziness or inattention, as many people unfairly assume, but differences in auditory processing. People with dyslexia hear sounds slightly differently, and this affects how they learn to read and write. Researchers from the École Normale Supérieure in Paris discovered that the brains of people with dyslexia react differently to phonemes, the smallest building blocks of speech. The most noticeable differences appear in the left hemisphere of the brain, which is responsible for processing sound. Scientists found that dyslexic brains respond too strongly to high-frequency sounds, which interferes with the memory system involved in language and speech. Today, dyslexia affects about 5% of school children. For a child, it can be a serious challenge. They face difficulties every day in areas where their classmates succeed effortlessly. That's why it's crucial to understand dyslexia is not inability or laziness, but a unique feature of brain function. Dr. Andrew Ardisman from New York emphasizes that dyslexia has long been known to be a complex, multifaceted condition. Now it has become clear that it also has an auditory basis. This discovery is an important step forward. Scientists acknowledge that there is still no universal way to fully correct dyslexia. It manifests differently in different individuals, but the approach must be personal. But understanding that the core of this issue lies in sound perception gives hope. It helps society see people with dyslexia not as problem students, but as individuals with their own way of experiencing the world. And perhaps this is the main message of the study. To understand means to accept. And that means that we are one step closer to ensuring that every child feels heard, supported, and not alone on his or her path to learning.